Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to take you through my facial at home using affordable products to achieve a glowing, radiant skin. Before I do anything else, my first step is to ensure my face is clean, and I'm using Nivea Oil Control Face Wash to cleanse and remove impurities from my face. And the next step is to apply my favorite cloves oil. The oil I'm using has both cleansing and healing properties, and this is going to keep away skin breakouts due to antifungal properties. Incorporating oil before steaming will provide numerous advantages, and also it's going to help remove impurities from the skin and help open the pores and improve blood flow to the face, and this is ideal for the skin. So after steaming the skin, the pores normally open up, and now this is the best time to use other products on the skin. So I'm going to use 3-in-1 facial wash and mask. I'm going to apply it on the skin and wait for 10 minutes, then I wash it off. I'll exfoliate the face to remove the mask, and this is going to help remove dead skin cells, and also it's going to leave the skin glowing. Next step, I'm going to use a toner to balance the pH of the skin. So to treat the under eye area, and also because we did not use the mask on the under eye, I'm using a sheet mask to also treat the under eye area, and this has a lot of serum. The rest of the serum I'm going to apply it on the face and neck. So I'm going to wait for 10 minutes and then remove the mask. So this is my face after the mask. This is the glow I was talking about. So the next step, you're going to apply a moisturizer, and I am using Nivea Even Tone and Radiant Moisturizer.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side.
So I'm going to apply a sunscreen, and if you're doing this during the night, you don't really need a sunscreen. So as I was doing my facial during the day, that's why I'm using a sunscreen.
Everything about you goes slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Hey, fly. So what if you...
That is it for this video. I'll see you on my next one.